In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order pizza on Uber Eats. We will walk through the whole process together so you can follow along on either Android or iPhone. Start by opening the Uber Eats app. When it opens, you should see the logo for a moment, then the main screen with a search bar and some suggested restaurants. If you do not see that and the app stays blank, wait a few seconds for it to load over the internet. Now sign in to your Uber account or create one. If you already use Uber for rides, the same account works here, and your name and payment details might already be filled in. If you are creating a new account, you will see simple prompts asking for basic details, and you may need to verify using a code before you can continue. Next, enter or confirm your delivery address. On this screen, you will usually see a box near the top showing a current address or asking you to add one. Make sure the street, apartment number, and any entry instructions are correct, because drivers rely on this to find you. Once your address is set, the restaurants and prices you see will match that location. From there, tap Search. You should find the search button near the bottom or top of the screen, usually with a magnifying glass icon. When you tap it, a keyboard appears, and the app focuses on a search field so you can type. Search for pizza or the name of a pizza restaurant. As you type, you may see suggestions appear below, such as popular pizza chains near you. You can either tap one of those suggestions or complete your typing and then confirm the search from the keyboard. Choose a restaurant that delivers to your address. On this results page, each restaurant card usually shows the name, type of food, delivery time estimate, and fees. If a place does not deliver to you, it will normally not appear here at all, so anything you see should be available. Now browse the pizza menu. Inside the restaurant page, you will see sections like popular items or pizzas, each with pictures, descriptions, and prices. Scrolling through the menu first helps you spot any meal deals or specials that might save you money on multiple pizzas. Select the pizza you want. When you tap a pizza, a detailed page opens, often with a larger photo and a clear list of ingredients. This is a good moment to double-check the sauce and main toppings so you do not accidentally order something you avoid. Choose your size, crust, toppings, and other options if available. Many pizza places let you pick from sizes like small, medium, or large, and crust styles like thin or stuffed. You may also see checkboxes for extra cheese or instructions like light sauce, which the restaurant sees directly on their order screen. Then tap Add to Cart. After you tap it, you should see a brief confirmation, and your cart icon usually shows a number 1 or increases by 1 to reflect the added pizza. Open View Cart. You can usually find this near the bottom of the screen, often as a bar that says View Cart and shows your current total. When you tap it, you move to a summary page listing your items. Check your pizza, delivery address, price, and payment method. Here you should see the pizza name, size, and toppings, your delivery location, all fees and taxes, and the card or payment option that will be charged. If something looks wrong, this is the best place to notice it because nothing has been sent to the restaurant yet. Add a promo or coupon if you have one. Look for a link or box on this same screen where you can enter a code. After you apply it, the total should update so you can see exactly how much you saved before you continue. Finally, review the order and tap Place Order. The app will briefly process, then you should see a tracking screen showing preparation and delivery status for your pizza. You have just gone from opening Uber Eats to placing a complete pizza order right from your phone. If this walkthrough made ordering your pizza easier, a quick thumbs up helps others find it, and you are welcome to subscribe for more simple app guides.